Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today are interactive information kiosk with a 24-inch LED monitor, and they come with some special set of features which will demonstrate you. So this is a mass production of these units. You can see that the customer has bought all these units in a bulk quantity, and we have customized several features of these kiosks as per customer's requirement. I'll just show you all these kiosks. So all these kiosks will be installed on the customer shop floor in an industrial area. So these kiosks feature galvanized powder coated 7-tank process mild steel with thickness of 1.6 mm. So the body is very robust and strong. It is dent proof, and you can see the smoothness and the feel of the texture of the powder coating. Very smooth, no coarse edges. This is a keyboard and a mouse tray, and you can put your keyboard and mouse here, and you can put the cable for the keyboard mouse directly from here to inside and connect it to CPU, which is to be kept inside. So other features of this are this is a 24-inch Dell monitor, full HD display, and the controls of this Dell monitor, power button and other settings can be accessed from this lid panel, and the fitting is exactly customized to this LED monitor, and even if you put pressure on this, nothing will happen because it is snugly fitted inside this enclosure. This here is a barcode reader cradle, and you can install a barcode reader for scanning items in production, any other operational process. So this barcode reader cradle is here, and you can put your barcode reader here. If you want to charge your barcode reader, put your cable from here inside the slot, and the cable will go inside and connect to the PC. The color of this kiosk is a dual tone combination. One is a sea blue color. This color is called sea blue color, and this is a light gray color, which is also known as RAL 7035. So if we talk about the other features of this kiosk is 5 feet in height. It is exactly eye level, so it is very easy to work on this kiosk. This is exactly eye level, and people of lower height and higher height both can work on this easily. So the keyboard mouse tray is exactly at a height which is suitable for all heights of people. Other than that, there is a maintenance door on the back side. We'll show you. This is a fan, a 4-inch filter fan, so which will exhaust all the heat which is generated inside the kiosk, heat drain. And we'll check out the back maintenance door part. You can see the back design is very slim, sleek, and good finish. So if we this is a special kind of key. All these 3 locks which are on the maintenance door can be opened by the same key. So once you quarter turn this key like this, so there are 3 locks. Just now I've locked only one of them. So this special key will provide you with this kiosk, and you can open all these 3 locks with a single key. All the keys are the same, and all the keys in all the kiosks are the same. So you need to keep only one key whenever you are going for maintenance. So this enclosure has this is aluminum ball bearing Rexnord fan, AC powered, which has very long life and suitable for industrial purpose. And this is a AC filter grill. This grill will hold all the dust and the moisture which comes from outside, and it's just like we use an air conditioner grill. You can remove this material and you can wash it and you can put it back. So whenever it's very dusty, you can do some maintenance on that. So inside there are power cables here. There are 3 power slots, and your CPU, micro PC will be installed here, and adapter space for adapter, space for UPS. You can put a UPS over here, and this is an empty space. You can put some spares or some raw materials, extra material, whatever you want to put. And this is MCB, dual pole MCB. So from outside there will be 2 inputs. One is mains power cable, 3 core cable, which will go inside the MCB, the earth, phase and neutral, and the other is a LAN cable. So the LAN cable will go inside from outside. This gland, there will be a cable gland installed here, PG11, PG16 cable gland, and the LAN wire will go inside and connect to the PC here. So it is very easy to install CPU and network connections. And this whole kiosk is IP rated. It is sealed from dust, and dust cannot go inside. All of these, there's no knockouts or no cutouts. All of them are dust sealed with are made dust proof and moisture proof. So once you lock this kiosk, there's no dust or moisture going inside this kiosk. The whole kiosk is portable and on caster wheels. You can move around this kiosk like this. It's very simple, and when you want to fix it in a location, then you put on the brakes on the caster wheels in front of the kiosk, and then the kiosk will stay at a fixed position. So hope you like this video. The look of the kiosk, the color combination, the slimness, the finishing, overall quality. For any of your requirements, industrial requirements, do contact us, and we'll be more than happy to support you. Thank you for watching.